Financial markets move rapidly, requiring traders to make fast, data-driven decisions. Intelligent automation helps reduce emotional trading and improves consistency in executing trading strategies. Monitoring market conditions, identifying profitable opportunities, and managing stop-loss and take-profit levels manually can be challenging. Delayed decisions often increase trading risk and reduce potential returns. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an AI-driven Forex indicator and algorithmic trading bot that automates market analysis, trade execution, and risk management through intelligent stop-loss and take-profit strategies. The platform continuously analyzes live Forex market data using AI models, generates trading signals, automatically places trades based on predefined strategies, and dynamically manages stop-loss and take-profit levels to optimize risk and reward. Key features include AI-powered Forex analysis, automated trading signals, dynamic stop-loss and take-profit management, real-time market monitoring, algorithmic trading automation, intelligent risk management. The solution improves trading efficiency, reduces manual intervention, enhances risk control, and enables traders to execute strategies with greater speed and consistency.